Lifting the front wheel is a fundamental skill and is really going to open up a lot of stuff on the trail for you. So being able to learn to bunny hop, get up and over obstacles, and just generally ride a little bit better. So the first thing that you want to do is learn to load your suspension and your fork using your body weight, compressing down, loading your suspension. As you're doing that, you're shifting your weight back over the back wheel and you're using your weight to pull and get the front wheel up. As it's coming up like that, what you can from that position then do is lift your arms a little bit more, just if you need that extra little bit of height. But ideally, you want to shift your weight back over the back wheel and let your weight do the pulling to get that front wheel up. Ideally, trying to keep your arms straight, as you'll see in the tutorial.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Anyhow, jump onto the next video and let's see what else you can learn.